In this video, we're diving into how to manage subscriptions in GoHighLevel without relying on third-party plugins. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you streamline your online business and make smarter business decisions. So have you ever wondered if you could handle all your client billing and subscriptions directly inside your GoHighLevel CRM? Today, we're going to explore GoHighLevel's built-in subscription management tools, from setting up recurring products to modifying existing subscriptions and generating invoices. So by the end of this guide, you'll see that you don't need another app to bill your customers. You've got everything you need under one roof. Why built-in subscription management matters. Managing subscriptions and recurring payments is a complex task for service providers, agencies, and online businesses. If you rely on multiple apps for invoices, product changes, and cancellation handling, then you risk data inconsistencies and extra fees. GoHighLevel, which is known for its marketing automation and CRM, offers a native subscription management system that consolidates billing tasks into the client portal and admin dashboard. This reduces friction for both you and your customers, saves you money on third-party subscriptions, and ensures that subscription data stays in sync with your contact records. What you'll learn: how to configure subscription products in GoHighLevel, how clients can manage their subscriptions through their client portal, how to modify existing subscriptions, change quantity, swap products, adjust billing dates, and while centralizing subscriptions improves customer experience and cash flow. Tips for automating reminders and integrating subscriptions into your marketing funnels. Setting up subscription products. Now, first things first, if you don't have a GoHighLevel account, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to bring you to this page right here. From here, you can get started with a free 14-day trial so you can follow along with this video, test out all the features inside GoHighLevel, and make a decision in if this is going to be the right platform for you and your business. Again, we've got that link for you down in the description to get started with that free 14-day trial. So before customers can subscribe, you need to define your products. In GoHighLevel, you create products in the payments section. Each product can be a one-time purchase or a recurring purchase. Here's how to set up subscription products. First, navigate to payments and then products and click new product and choose subscription. So here we are inside of our dashboard. We'll go to payments. Up here at the top, we can go to products and go to product, or we can go to subscription right here. So again, there's two different ways to get there. You can either add a product that you can set to be on a subscription basis, or you can go directly into subscriptions. Let's start with the product version. So we'll come here and click on product, and now we can go ahead and fill out all the information for this product. So we'll give this a product name. We'll call this one-on-one coaching, and we'll call this recurring. So you want to enter basic details, so provide a product name, description, price, and then billing frequency, whether that's weekly, monthly, yearly, etc. If you're offering multiple tiers like basic, pro, and premium, then create separate products for each. You also want to define any trial periods. So if you want to offer a free trial or reduced rate for the first month, specify the trial length and cost. So for this example here, we'll come into this pricing. We'll go to recurring. Maybe this is going to be $99. Our billing period will be monthly. This is where you can go ahead and set the trial days. So maybe you have like a 7-day free trial. And then you can set the number of payments. So the number of total payments that there will be. Maybe this is for a 12-month thing. So we'll go ahead and do that. Or if, maybe you have, this is just an ongoing, like for everything until they cancel, you could put something like a $9.99. But for now, we'll just go ahead and do 12. And setup fee. So this is if you have any additional costs. That's like a one-time setup cost. So maybe for this, it'll be, $49 to get you onboarded. And then here you can go ahead and add another price, right? So this is where you can go ahead and add different variants of it as well. But for now, we'll just leave the one price in there. And we'll go ahead and click save. Now make sure to add any taxes and discounts. So you can attach tax rates or one-time coupons. Make sure you comply with your local tax laws. Attach workflows. One of GoHighLevel's strengths is its automation. So you can trigger onboarding emails, membership access, or follow-up sequences when someone purchases a subscription. So select the appropriate workflow in the product settings. Make sure to hit save and publish. Once your product details are ready, save it and publish it. The product will be available in your funnels, forms, and payment links. Selling subscription products. After creating a subscription product, you need a way for customers to buy it. GoHighLevel gives you several options. Funnels and websites. GoHighLevel's funnel builder lets you add payment forms directly into landing pages. Drag a two-step order form onto your page and select the subscription product that you created. You can also add order bumps or one-time offers to increase average order value. So let's come over here and we'll go to sites, we'll go to funnel, we'll create a new funnel, and we'll select one from a template. We'll select the coaching, and we'll go ahead and choose maybe this one here. So we'll go ahead and let that add a funnel for us here. Okay, so now we have this built here. So we could go ahead and do something like change this button here. You know, we could design this page to sell this one-to-one coaching offer and redirect this button here to go ahead and go to the checkout page for this specific product. Checkout links. Now, if you don't want to build a full funnel, you can generate a standalone checkout link. You can share the link via email, social media, or embed it on your website. When customers click, they'll see a secure checkout page to enter their payment information. So to create a payment checkout link, we can come back to payments here and go to payment link, click on create link, and then we can go ahead and select that product that we just created. So go ahead and select the recurring price plus the $49 setup fee, and it's also got that 7-day free trial. So we can see due today is just that $49 setup fee, and then the total trial afterward is $99. We can select fields like require them to add a phone number, collect email addresses, we can allow coupon codes, which we don't have set up for this. And then we can enable redirection to a custom URL. So for example, we could have them get access to their membership portal right after payment here. Membership portals. For courses or membership content, GoHighLevel integrates payments with your membership areas. Assign your subscription product to a membership offer. And once purchased, members get immediate access to the appropriate content. This is ideal for agencies selling recurring coaching or training. Managing subscriptions in the client portal. The client portal is where your customers can view and manage their subscriptions, invoices, and payment methods. So this portal centralizes all subscription details, making it easy for clients to find invoices, update payment methods, or cancel subscriptions. Here's how the portal improves the customer experience. Unified dashboard. Clients can see all their subscriptions at a glance, including billing dates, amounts, and status, whether it's active, paused, or canceled. Easy cancellations. Instead of emailing support, users can cancel their subscription directly from the portal. This transparency reduces chargebacks and negative reviews. Invoice access. Clients can download invoices and receipts, helping them with expense reports and tax filings. Payment method updates. Expired credit card? No problem. Clients can update their payment details without contacting you. This reduces the risk of failed payments and subscription churn. Filter and search. The portal allows users to filter invoices or subscriptions by date, product, or status, so they can find what they need quickly. How customers use the client portal. So you log in or create an account, and customers receive an email invitation to their portal after purchasing. They then create a password or can log in through social authentication. Navigate to subscriptions. The portal sidebar includes sections for subscriptions, invoices, and payment methods. Selecting subscriptions shows a list of active subscriptions. View details. Clicking on a subscription reveals details like next billing date, billing frequency, amount, and associated invoices. Modify or cancel. Customers can click a button to cancel or modify their subscription if you allow modifications. Modifications might include upgrading to a higher plan, downgrading, or changing the quantity of seats. If they choose to cancel, you can choose a sequence of retention prompts, such as offering a discount or pausing the subscription instead of canceling. Admin controls for subscription management. From your perspective, GoHighLevel provides powerful tools to manage subscriptions without leaving the platform. The Modify subscription feature, which was added in 2025, allows you to add or remove products, adjust quantities, change billing dates, and preview changes before saving. Here's what you can do. You can edit quantities. If a client needs more seats or fewer seats, you can adjust the quantity while keeping the same billing cycle. Swap products. If a client wants to upgrade to a higher tier or downgrade to a cheaper plan, you can replace the product without creating a new subscription. GoHighLevel will automatically prorate charges if needed. Future proration features are rolling out. Adjust billing dates. You can align the billing date with a client's preferred schedule. For example, if you're switching them from monthly to annual billing, you can choose when the new cycle starts. Pause or resume. Temporary pause functionality helps retain customers who might otherwise cancel. When paused, billing stops until reactivated. Send invoices and receipts. You can manually send invoices or configure automated emails to go out after each renewal. Customizable templates lets you add branding and personalized messages. You can issue refunds or partial credits. If you need to refund a customer or apply a credit toward future invoices, you can do so directly in the billing interface. Payment providers and integrations. GoHighLevel supports multiple payment gateways, including Stripe, PayPal, Square, NMI, and Authorize.net. Stripe and PayPal are the most common for subscription payments. Now, when choosing a provider, consider transaction fees, payout schedules, and supported currencies. You can connect more than one provider and choose which one to use per product. Tax handling. If your customers are in different regions, tax compliance is essential. GoHighLevel allows you to create tax rates for specific countries, states, or product types. When customers check out, taxes are automatically calculated based on their location. You can include tax amounts in the product price or list them separately on the invoice. Automating subscription communication. GoHighLevel is a marketing platform at its core, so it makes sense to integrate subscription management with automation. Here's how you can automate communication around billing. Onboarding sequence. Trigger a welcome email series when someone purchases a subscription. You can teach them how to use your product or service, highlight key benefits, and set expectations. Renewal reminders. Send reminders a few days before a subscription renews. Remind customers of the value that they're receiving and offer an easy way to update payment details. Failed payment follow-ups. If a payment fails, automatically notify the customer and encourage them to update their payment method. A series of emails or SMS reminders with increasing urgency can reduce involuntary churn. Upsell campaigns. Use automation to identify customers approaching usage limits or who have been subscribed for a certain time. Offer them an upgrade with additional features or a discount. Cancellation feedback. When someone cancels, trigger a survey asking why. This helps you improve your service and reduce churn in the future. Pros and cons of using HighLevel for subscription. Now, every tool has strengths and weaknesses, so let's examine what makes GoHighLevel's subscription features appealing and where they might fall short. Pros. It's an all-in-one platform. Since GoHighLevel combines CRM, funnel builder, email marketing, and payment processing, you don't need to juggle multiple logins and platforms. Automation, integration. Subscription actions can trigger marketing workflows, ensuring smooth onboarding and retention sequences. Client self-service. The client portal empowers customers to manage their own subscriptions and invoices, reducing support tickets. Flexible modification. You can adjust subscriptions mid-cycle without creating new plans, minimizing billing errors. Cost-effective. Eliminating third-party subscriptions reduces software costs and potential integration issues. Cons. Learning curve. GoHighLevel's interface isn't as simple as a dedicated billing tool. It may take time to understand all the features. Limited add-ons. At the time of recording, certain advanced features like proration or coupon editing are still being rolled out, so you might need manual workarounds until they're fully released. No native accounting integration. While you can export invoices, GoHighLevel doesn't have direct integrations with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. You may need to use Zapier or manual exports. Design customization. Checkout pages are functional but less customizable than those from dedicated e-commerce platforms. Branding options might feel a bit limited. Best practices for managing subscriptions. Whether you're using GoHighLevel or another tool, these best practices will help you maintain healthy recurring revenue. Keep subscription tiers simple. Too many options confuse customers. Offer clear differences between plans and highlight the value. Communicate pricing transparently. Make sure customers understand when they'll be billed and what's included. Provide an easy cancellation path. If it's too hard to cancel, customers might dispute charges. A clear path builds trust and encourages them to return. Monitor metrics. Track churn rate, average revenue per user, and growth in subscriber count. If numbers drop, investigate the reasons why. Reward loyalty. Offer perks or discounts to longtime subscribers. Consider sending anniversary emails with exclusive content or gifts. Iterate on feedback. Use cancellation surveys and support tickets to identify pain points. Continually improve your product and subscription experience. So running a subscription business doesn't have to mean juggling multiple tools. tools. GoHighLevel's built-in subscription management provides a unified solution for creating products, processing payments, and giving customers control through the client portal. The ability to modify subscriptions on the fly, connect with various payment gateways, and tie billing events into automation make it a super compelling choice for agencies and service providers. While the system isn't perfect, it still lacks some advanced features like full proration and deep accounting integrations. The benefits of consolidation and automation really outweigh the downsides for many users. The key is to set up your products thoughtfully, automate communication, and keep an eye on your metrics. When you do, you'll not only save money on third-party plugins, but also provide a smoother experience for your clients. So if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got that link for you down in the description where you can get started with a free 14-day trial. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.